How to redeem Lowe gift card online. For this, open up a browser on your PC or in your mobile device. It is up to you. The first step is to go ahead and search for Lowe or just type in lowe.com on your URL address. Then tap on the official web page and wait for it to load. You will be redirected to the official web page of Lowe. Now first and foremost, you have to go ahead and purchase an item from Lowe. So go ahead and purchase an item and do a little shopping. For the sake of this video as well, I'll be shopping with you. At the top, you will see some of the categories. Just go ahead and tap on it. Then select the category that you want to see more about. Here I'm selecting some of the bag options to purchase. Then you can just scroll down. Now here you will see various items as well. Just go ahead and select anything that you prefer. At the side, you can select colors and size and make sure you select your size, otherwise it will not let you to purchase. Once you have selected the size and the color, then you have to enter your email address and sign in to your account. Once you are signed in, when you are checking out, you will see your grand total. And within the dialog box, you will see a promo code or coupon code dialog box. You simply have to go ahead and add your promo code in that given dialog box. Tap on Apply. Then you will see some of the deduction on your grand total. Now all you have to do is simply check out from your Lowe's homepage and continue with the payment process. And just like that, you'll be able to redeem your gift card. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try. And to never miss out a video from us, make sure to hit a like and subscribe.